Hola amigos. Hello friends. Today I have a new class for you. I will teach you the greetings and the goodbyes in Spanish, as well as some basic or starter conversation. How to start a conversation in Spanish. So let's start first with the greetings in Spanish. The most important greetings in Spanish are hola, of course, which is the equivalent of hello in English. Hola. Then we have Buenos Dias. Buenos Dias. Buenos Dias is used in the morning only till 12 noon. It literally means good day, but it cannot be used throughout the day. It can only be used till midday, and therefore it means good morning. Buenos Dias. Then from 12 noon onwards till around 7 in the evening, we use Buenas tardes. Buenas tardes, which means good afternoon. In some countries, it is also used to say good evening. So in many countries, Buenas tardes can mean good evening as well. In Spanish, basically, we don't have any word for evening, so Buenas tardes could be used as good evening as well. Then we have Buenas noches. Buenas noches. Buenas noches means good night. Noche means night. And in many countries, it's used to say good evening as well. So, Buenas noches. Now, these greetings are used when you are meeting somebody also, and Buenas noches in English is usually used when we are leaving. We say good night, but even when we are greeting somebody in Spanish, we can say Buenas noches, as well as when we are leaving. It could be goodbye as well. Now some basic conversation, how to start a conversation with somebody, or when you meet somebody. Usually you'll say, if it's in the morning, you'll say Buenos Dias, ¿Cómo estás? Or ¿Qué tal? ¿Qué tal means like, what's up? How are you doing? How are things? ¿Qué tal? So one way of a greeting is as well, for example, Buenos Dias, ¿Qué tal? Or Buenos Dias, ¿Cómo estás? ¿Cómo estás means how are you in the tú formation, and ¿Cómo está usted is the respectful or the polite form of asking somebody how they are. So ¿Cómo estás? And ¿Cómo está usted? Many people also say ¿Cómo te va? ¿Cómo te va means like how are things going? What are you up to? ¿Cómo te va? These are all very used expressions in the Spanish language. The answers to ¿Qué tal? ¿Cómo te va? ¿Cómo estás? Or ¿Cómo está usted? Are bien gracias, meaning well thank you, or muy bien gracias, very well thank you. Muy means very, so muy bien means very well. Gracias, of course, means thank you. Generally, when somebody asks you ¿Cómo está? Or ¿Cómo estás? How are you? Although even if maybe we are not feeling well, it's usually polite, and usually everybody will say bien, or bien gracias, or muy bien gracias. In certain cases, if someone is really not feeling well, they may just say no muy bien gracias, or estoy enfermo. Estoy enfermo means I am sick, or something like that. But the general answer will always be bien gracias. Another way of saying is todo bien gracias. Okay, everything is fine, or everything is good, thank you. Todo bien gracias. And then to further extend the conversation, that person could again ask ¿Y tú? And you? Or ¿Y tú? ¿Cómo estás? And you, how are you? Some other basic conversation is how to ask somebody their name. Usually in Spanish, we ask the name, or we ask somebody their name by saying, ¿Cómo te llamas? Or ¿Cómo se llama usted? ¿Cómo te llamas is the tu formation, or the regular form of asking somebody how they are called or what is their name. And ¿Cómo se llama usted is the respectful form. So literally, ¿Cómo te llamas means how are you called? But in Spanish, it's used for asking what is your name. So ¿Cómo te llamas? And ¿Cómo se llama usted? Answer to this is me llamo, and then your name. For example, me llamo Juan, or me llamo Maria. So it's me llamo, I am called. Okay, this is used like saying my name is. You could also say mi nombre es. So that would be like this. Mi nombre es. My name is. Okay, so you will say me llamo, for example, Juan, or mi nombre es Juan, and then you can ask the other guy what his name is. Y tú, and you, ¿cómo te llamas? Y tú, ¿cómo te llamas? And you, what is your name? So this is basic conversation in Spanish. Now, what are the goodbyes? How do we say goodbye in Spanish? Okay, adios is generally used also. Adios means like God be with you, or may God go with you. Dios means God in Spanish. But the generally used goodbyes are hasta luego. Hasta luego means until later, or see you later. Hasta pronto. Hasta pronto means until soon, or see you soon. Pronto means soon. So hasta luego and hasta pronto. Many people say hasta la vista. You may have heard this. It's very common. Hasta la vista means until we see each other. Okay, vista comes from the word ver. Ver is to see. So until we see each other. Hasta la vista. Another very common way of saying goodbye is hasta mañana. Hasta mañana means until tomorrow, or see you tomorrow. Hasta mañana. So these are the goodbyes, or the despedidas, as we call them in Spanish. This was a brief class of today, friends. Hope you enjoyed it. Hope you learned how to say the greetings and the goodbyes in Spanish, and how to start a conversation, how to make basic conversation in Spanish. Amigos, keep watching my videos. Subscribe to my channel if you want to learn Spanish with me. My classes are well explained and very easy. I hope you enjoy them, and I'll see you next time. Okay? Hasta la vista, or hasta pronto, amigos. Muchas gracias.